friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from OnePlus, the OnePlus 7 Pro. So OnePlus 7 Pro is the flagship smartphone, and this time around OnePlus is competing with the real flagships with great hardware, top of the line hardware, 48 megapixel sensor, quad HD plus display. It's a 90 Hz display. So overall this has really great hardware along with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset. So we have the device with us. So there has been a lot of improvements to the OnePlus 7 Pro. It's more of a different class. The OnePlus 7 Pro is aiming at, and not the regular OnePlus 60 or the 6 price segment. It is also priced higher than the OnePlus 7 actually. So this also comes with a larger capacity battery, warp charging, Android 9.0, Oxygen OS, and some of the important aspects are the quad HD plus display. It's a 90 Hz display, and it also comes with a pop-up selfie camera, 4000 mAh capacity battery, 48 megapixel rear camera, and a triple camera setup. So that's the OnePlus 7 Pro. So we have the media kit with us. So this may not be the retail box, so this is just the media kit. So we'll show you what all comes inside this media kit. So opening up the media kit, so you can see the Never Settle branding. So taking this out, you can see that this has a manual included. So you can see that reviews guide is included for reviewing. So all the specifications and features are mentioned here: warp charging, Oxygen OS, the new features. It also includes the Bullet wireless and all the features. Then you get the Bullet wireless 2 earphone. So we'll talk about this in a different video. Then you also get the warp charging, warp car charger. So actually this is a new product. This is warp car charging charger included. This is again 5 volt 6 ampere, that's 30 watt charging for car. So that's the warp charging for car. So that's the other aspect. Then you get the OnePlus 7 Pro. So this is the Nebula Blue variant. You can see that 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage variant we got. The SAR values mentioned here: 1.187 head SAR and body SAR is 0.6. That's the SAR value of this device. So we'll unbox this device. You can see the OnePlus 7 Pro mentioned, and everything else is also mentioned here. So that's the OnePlus 7 Pro, and we also get something else. We have different cases included. So just pulling this out, you can see a couple of cases are included. So these are the cases which comes for OnePlus 7 Pro. So this is the similar case we are seeing for the OnePlus 60 as well. So this is more of a sandstone like a finish. So these are the two cases which are included with the box package. You can see the OnePlus branding on both of them. So that's all inside this media box. So now let's actually open the OnePlus 7 Pro. So this is the box packing we got from OnePlus. So we'll just open this. So this is quite similar to the OnePlus 60. So let's just take this out. So opening up, you can see that this has the smaller box. So let's see what comes inside. So you can see the regular TPU case included with the box package. So that's a regular TPU case. Then you get the manual and warranty information. So these are some stickers included, and you get the manual and all the warranty information, some other options including the SIM ejector pin which is included with the box package. So these are the things available here. Then you get the actual beautiful OnePlus 7 Pro. So this is the blue variant. So we'll just take this out of this case. So there you go. That's the OnePlus 7 Pro, the Nebula Blue variant. It looks really gorgeous, and to be very frank, this actually looks like the Thunder Purple variant. The matte finish, even we had the same kind of finish for the Thunder Purple variant, but it definitely looks gorgeous, and we'll be talking about more about the device soon. So we'll just boot the device. In the meantime, we'll also see what else comes inside the box package. Then you get a welcome letter here. So you can just peel off this invitation letter. Then you get the charger. So this is the cable, the regular cable which we get with the OnePlus devices. Then we have the warp charger. So this is the warp charger for the OnePlus 7 Pro, and you can see this is the 30 watt charging, 5 volt 6 ampere is the maximum. That's the warp charging available. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the actual device. So that's the OnePlus 7 Pro. We have the Quad HD Plus resolution display. It's a 90 Hz display, and we also have the Oxygen OS. So we are just moved from a OnePlus 60 to OnePlus 7 Pro. So you can see all the apps we are just moved. So this is the OnePlus 7 Pro, and we have Android 9.0 out of the box, and this is the OnePlus Oxygen OS. So it looks really good. So we'll talk about the Oxygen OS in our detailed video. So we'll just see some of the features available here. So this is the Quad HD Plus resolution display, and you can also see that the display sides are curved towards the edges, and the bezels are also kept to minimal. You can see that the bezels are kept to minimal, and the important aspect is the selfie camera, the pop-up selfie camera over here, and the power and volume the power keys on the right side. You have the alert slider, and we also have the volume rocker keys on the left side. The bottom section has the speaker unit, then you have the SIM tray, and also the USB Type-C port. On the top we have the pop-up selfie camera, and we have the triple camera setup on this device. Along with that we also get the OnePlus branding. So we'll just take this out, and you also can see the OnePlus logo. So that's the logo, and we have the triple camera setups: 48 megapixel camera, 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel camera. So these are the three cameras available. Now let's have a look at the camera interface. So you can see that now we have the wide angle mode, and you can also see that 3x zoom is included. So that's the new mode. This is the ultra wide angle camera available. So we have the portrait mode, the nightscape mode is also included. Now if you go to the selfie camera, so we'll just take out the selfie camera. So you can see that that's where the pop-up selfie camera comes in action. So this is really tried and tested for a lot of opening and closing. So company says on an average, if you use 50 times a day, it will last for around 16 years. So that's what the company claims. So it's very durable and extremely a great motor available on this device. So that's the camera. So we'll talk about the camera in detail. We'll have the camera review of this device coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. Now this device also comes with the 4000 mAh capacity battery, and this also has a warp charging, which is a 30-watt charging available. So this was the unboxing and a quick overview of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.